Stop scrolling right now. If you think you know everything about tattoo needles, you're wrong. And that's probably why your lines aren't clean, your shadings look messy, and your portraits don't pop. In this video, I'm going to break down every single tattoo needle type, when to use them, and which top-rated brands professional artists trust. So stay until the end, because I'm going to save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. Before we dive into the different type, you need to understand this. Your needle choice defines your tattoo. You can have the most expensive machine, the smoothest ink, and the best technique. But if you choose the wrong needle, your tattoo will fail. So let's break it down step by step. First up, round liners, also called arrow. These needles are grouped in a tight circle and are perfect for clean. If you're doing fine line tattoos, scripts, or outlines, this is your best friend. Common sizes: 1 RL, 3 RL, 5 RL, 9 RL. The smaller the number, the thinner the line. The bigger the number, the bolder the line. Recommended brands: Shine Safety, Quadron, and Tina Davis. Next, we have round shaders, RS for short. These look similar to liners, but are spaced out a little more, which makes them great for soft shading and filling small areas. You'll often use RS when you want a smoother transition between light and dark without harsh edges. Recommended brands: Quadron RS, Shine Safety, and T-Tech RS. Magnum needles labeled M1 and M1C. These are designed for covering large areas and deep shading. Straight magnums. M1 needles are aligned in straight rows, great for filling solid color. Curved magnums M1C, slightly rounded edges, giving you softer gradients, perfect for portraits and realism. Recommended brands: Quadrant Magnum, Shine Capillary makes, and Bishop Da Vinci makes. If you love smooth shading and soft blends, round magnums RM are your go-to. They're curved like M1C, but arced differently, allowing you to create buttery transitions and gradient effects. These are especially popular for black and gray realism and portraits. Recommended brands: Cheyenne RM, Quadrant RM, and Bishop RM. Most beginners make 3 big mistakes when choosing needles. One, using liners for shading that destroys the skin. 2. Picking a needle that's too big or too small for the design. Choosing cheap, low-quality needles, which leads to blowouts, uneven ink flow, and infections. In my next video, I am breaking down the perfect voltage and speed settings for every type of needle. And that's where most artists fail. So hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and if you found this helpful, smash the like button to help other artists find it too.